Hello, this is my stateroom on Rhapsody of the Seas. This is the view from the door. So we have a chair, which I thought I was supposed to get a couch, but maybe that's different. So I got a chair, a big bed. I'm in one of those rooms where there's like bunk bed situations again, but only on that side, thankfully. So hopefully I won't hit my head like I did on the first one. So I only have one chair, which is kind of weird. Okay, and then we have like a vanity. Oh, I have a TV, a vanity, a safe. Okay, some plugs, some drawers, and oh, I forgot I have a closet here. Now I am missing some hangers, so I'm gonna have to ask for more because I only have 3, but I should have 5. And then 2 hooks there. Hello. Okay, this is the bathroom. So, oh man, it's a cloth one. I hate the cloth ones. They always get sucked into the shower stall. Okay, it's pretty small. Hello again. Towels. So it is pretty small, and there's not as much shelf. There's only this. And then like a little under there. There's not a lot of shelf space in here compared to some other places. Some hooks back there. Okay, and then oh, and another closet. Okay, so I do have more hangers. Never mind. Okay, so I got hangers. Well, I got a lot of hangers. Okay, I'm glad I looked in here before I requested more hangers. So we actually have an upper and a lower railing. Here's the things there. Excuse me. Okay. That's really annoying. And I've got like out catching thrills, do not disturb. I guess that's it. There's no like thing to show that I'm in the room. It's kind of like I think it's because I got a discounted rate, single person rate. They gave me like an old room. It looks really old. Here's the drawers. Like not updated. Ooh. So, well, and it is smaller than I expected, but